If you need to switch text to uppercase in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to turn selected text into all caps without retyping anything. This is perfect for headings, titles, labels, or any part of your document that needs a stronger, more consistent look. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and find the text you want to change. You can use this on a single word, a sentence, a paragraph, or even a whole section. The important thing is to select the exact text you want to convert, because Word will only apply the change to whatever is highlighted. So go ahead and click and drag your mouse over the text, or if you prefer, use your keyboard to select it. Once the text is highlighted, look at the top of Word and click the Home tab. The Home tab is where you'll find most of the basic formatting tools, including font styles, bold, italic, size, and case options. Now, in the Font section of the Home tab, look for the Change Case button. It usually shows as AA, and that's the option you want. Click Change Case, and a drop-down menu will appear with several text formatting choices. From that menu, select Uppercase. As soon as you click it, Microsoft Word will instantly convert the selected text into capital letters. You do not need to delete anything or type it again manually. Word handles the formatting for you in just one click. This is especially useful when you want to make a heading stand out, standardize labels in a report, or quickly format text for a professional-looking document. It also saves time if you're working with a lot of content and need a fast way to change the case of text. If the text doesn't change the way you expected, just make sure the correct text is still selected before clicking the Change Case option again. You can also use the same menu later if you want to switch back to sentence case, lowercase, capitalize each word, or toggle case. So the full process is simple. Open your document, select the text, go to the Home tab, click Change Case, and choose Uppercase. That's all it takes to turn your selected text into all caps in Microsoft Word. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.